Let's go to Worksheet 2. Duplicate this formula and change the first cell of the target range. Highlight it and then go back to the vendor invoice and highlight the first cell of the display name column. Remember to hit F4 until you lock the whole cell. Now I'm going to change the target column to vendor invoice display name. Hit enter and let's see what we get. Let me get rid of the hyphen by changing the criterion inside the double quote. Now let's go back to vendor invoice. Move to the first cell of the vendor name column and bring up the validation. Here I'm changing the source of the list to the formula that we created before. And you should see this. If I change the language in vendor list, then I should be able to have my vendor selection in the new language. Alright, let me change it back to English. Go back to vendor invoice. Copy the first cell, highlight the rest of the column, right-click and paste special by validation. Now you have the vendor invoice linked to the vendor list.